Is your Media Player Classic Icons apps broken by the Mpciconlib DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. To kick off the Mpciconlib guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Mpciconlib, the Media Player Classic MPC icon library. It houses unmanaged icons and visual manifests used for file type registration and shell integration within the Media Player Classic software suite. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Mpciconlib is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, Xinput, or Xaudio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Mpciconlib file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Mpciconlib.dll into directories where it does not natively belong. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Mpciconlib. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Mpciconlib or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.